Paul from Wolf Software Systems Limited. Using our Intelligent Wolf platform, you can see that actually we have a lot of things, and every now and then I do something fun. And I thought I'd have some fun, and it turned into something serious, as it does now. I want to just say that I absolutely hate football. I have done since I was a boy, mainly because I was the kid that got left standing by the goalpost. So this is my revenge on football, if you like. So what we've basically done is got access to a lot of football data, and we've imported it into a MariaDB vector database, and we've used our Intelligent Wolf platform to analyze that vector data and couple it with a lot of other data like statistical analysis of games and things like that in the past. And then what we've done is, so we've also pulled down the matches for today, for instance, West Ham versus Newcastle, we've pulled down the odds, and we've got it to think about the best value bets based on the mathematics of comparing the way that these teams play against each other. And if you want to go, so for instance, here is one where it says there's different options. Normally I didn't know all this till I coded this thing. So there's different options with football on what you can bet on. You can bet on all kinds of things. So what this does is it actually works out what the value bets are available to you, and then does some recommended bets. And then the ones that it's the most sure about is the ones it goes with. Been trying it a couple of days. It's been very interesting. Firstly, because I didn't really know how to use the app for placing the bets, and there's all kinds of terminology on there, and you have to go off and look at it. So I've also added a thing: do get full AI analysis. Scroll back to the top and give it a second, and it will provide a detailed analysis of the match. Now I don't really look at that because I don't really get what it's talking about, but there's the badges. It says and it acts like a football commentator. So Fiorentina are in a tough spot, currently sitting 19th in Series A. So it gives you a full analysis like that. Now, obviously, it's pretty cool. There's lots of stats and charts, but basically it tells you what to bet on. So we're going to probably do a bit more during this week, just trialing it. But it's been pretty successful the first couple of days. If you're interested in this, we are not going to be releasing it in the sense of making it a paid service or anything like that, because it's very heavy on AI and it's very heavy on our servers generating all this stuff. But we are going to be doing something along the lines. We want to find people and organizations who'd be interested in this kind of tech and being able to demonstrate how we can use it to help their businesses. So we're thinking about some kind of investment. We're thinking about so getting access to this tool will come with that. So please do get in touch if you're interested in this. sales@wolf.uk.com. I'm Paul. You can email me. It comes through to me and everyone else. And we can discuss what this does and what your business needs in terms of building a solution for everything, because we can do a lot more with this kind of embedded vector databases. We can do things like our document system, which can search for meaningful documents based on all your documents. We don't care where they are. It's really cool maths. It's really exciting, and it's the latest sort of thing that databases are doing. So if you're interested in this or some of the tech we're using, or give us a shout. Thanks very much. I hope that's interesting. wolf.uk.com is our website.